Well, hi there folks, it's Matt Hayson here looking at everything going down in and around the Sydney property market this weekend. Of course, the hot conversation is the cash rate, where during the week the RBA has cautiously left that on hold at 4.35%. That said, conjecture still does really rage on that many still believe that the RBA are going to be forced to lift the cash rate again, and some are suspecting that could be as early as next month. Now, looking at the latest minute meetings and the language from the RBA, it does remain fairly hawkish, and they're having a bet either way as they remain resolutely focused on bringing inflation back within their target band of 2 to 3%, which they expect to occur by the second half of 2025. That said, traders have really dialed back their expectations about the next move being a cash rate increase. That's back from 50% chance of happening down to 15% chance, so that's very interesting. But whatever unfolds, it does appear though that it's likely that the cash rate is going to remain higher for longer. Now that leads us into what's happening around the grounds this week, as we still are seeing a very delicately poised trading environment, and we'd suspect with about 80% of the properties which are currently listed on the market, the genuine buyer interest and the depth of the buy pool is sitting around 1 to 2 buyers, which is pretty interesting, and that's playing out across the auction market as well, where again, according to SQM research, we saw that clearance rate sitting at around 52% last week. Now, as we've been mentioning over the last several weeks and through April, we saw listings starting to tighten up. That was part seasonal and also part a disrupted month with all those holidays, but the data suggests that listings across Sydney actually declined by just over 10%, and we expect that trend line to continue, which might mean that supply and demand starts to slightly favour sellers. So that'll be interesting to see how that unfolds over the coming months. Now, I want to put 2 inspiring homes onto your radar to check out this weekend, and the first one is 4C Duke Street in Balmain East. This is a fabulous location. What a wonderful home as well. It's an impeccable modern terrace, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, double car garaging. It's through a gated community as well, so quite a rare offering there. The guide is $4 million, and you can speak with Danny Cobden and Samantha Elvey on that one. And the next property is a beautifully newly built Hampton-style designed home in 153A Annandale Street in Annandale. This is an impeccable location as well. And opulence, lifestyle living at its finest. It is certainly one to check out. The guide on that property is $6.5 million, and you can speak with John O'Hammond and Julie Hatch to arrange a private inspection. So folks, plenty being listed this week, lots of exciting stuff happening. That's what's going down in and around the property market. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you all next week.